Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change language on Likee application using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open up the Likee application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right and in the pop-up, select Settings. From the Settings page, click on Language. Now select your preferred language from the list. Likee supports many languages including English, Hindi, Urdu, Marathi, etc. It also supports other languages such as Portuguese, Espanol, etc. Choose the language you want to change to and then click on OK at the bottom. Now this will change the display language setting for your Likee app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.